and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
US-based Yoruba actress Oyinkansola Emmanuel has revealed that she can't marry or date Alhaji Aliko Dangote. As indicated by her, she can only date the Africa's richest man if he has the qualities she wants in a kind of man. Oyinkansola disclosed this in an Instagram live interview with journalist Gbolahan Adetayo. The interview took place on the 11th of May 2020. When asked about her kind of man, the US-based actress said,
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.